It's 2025 and you do not need to be spending all your money on makeup to get looks like this. I literally used all drugstore makeup products for my base today. I usually use drugstore products on the regular for my makeup routine. I don't really own a lot of high-end makeup, but I figured that today you and me will hit the streets and I'll share with you guys my ultimate drugstore must-haves. We're gonna go to Ulta, Target. You can be a baddie on a budget and get makeup looks like this for a really affordable price. It's all about drugstore affordable makeup. I'll see you guys when I get to Target. Okay, you guys, we made it to Target. Let me get a basket. I always forget there's an Ulta here. Should we go over there? Let's stick to this section. If you guys love a matte full coverage concealer, this one is so good. It's literally like Tarte Shape Tape from the drugstore, and it's only $12.99. They have a new setting powder. Should I get it? It's pink, and I love me a pink setting powder. I kind of want to try it. If you love a creamy lip liner, these e.l.f. lip liners for $2 will literally be your best friend. These glide on so smooth, but they do have more of a creamy satin finish. I like more of a matte finish. The best liquid blushes from the drugstore are definitely e.l.f. and they're only $7. This is probably one of my favorite shades, but look at the shade range. They have so many. These are super pigmented, super creamy, and they won't leave your makeup looking patchy. So e.l.f. just gets it. This bronzer eats down and it's only $8. Look how much product you get. It is a matte bronzer, but it's super smooth and blendable. Oh, you guys need to try this. And Revolution is sold at Target, Ulta. Super affordable. Probably one of my favorite concealers. I love using this shade right here to contour. If you wear setting spray and you want something that's gonna make your makeup last and leave it matte, this one right here, this is a jumbo size and it's $15.99, but this one is $9.99. And I tried this. I don't wear setting spray anymore, but this one was my go-to when I did. You guys see how empty these are? Because they're so good. These are my favorite blushes and bronzer from the drugstore, but there's none. Oh my gosh, you guys, I've seen this powder all over TikTok. I think it's like the Charlotte Tilbury dupe. Maybelline has some of the best complexion products. If you guys have not tried this powder, you definitely need to, along with their loose powder. This one right here is the one that I used today. If you guys are super into skin tints with good coverage, y'all need this, okay? I am at Ulta now. Let's go. Let's get a bag. This primer right here is literally one of the best primers ever. If you have oily skin, definitely get this one. I do really enjoy their gripping primers as well. If you need something that's gonna help you with pores, this one's for you. Y'all, I've been wanting this brush so bad and they don't have it. They're out of like so many styles, which sucks. I have been looking for these. These are the Milk Jelly Stick dupes. Oh my gosh, wait, I'm getting dirty. If you like a super radiant creamy concealer, the True Match is so good. Their foundation is super popular too, but this one is super creamy and it's medium coverage. It's really good. This is my favorite powder ever. It is so good and it doesn't make you feel cakey. I use the shade 128 or 120 and I love this powder. I've been using it for years. This is the best loose setting powder at the drugstore and it's only $10.99. I use the shade 5 or 10. It's the one I'm using today and it's so freaking good. If you're looking for super affordable pigmented lip liners, you need to try these. The Lip Lifter liners. They're so good. This is the shade that I'm using today, Player. But all their shades are super pretty. They also have a jelly primer. What the heck? I've never seen this. This is new. I kind of want to try it, but I love the e.l.f. primer. These lip oils are my favorite also. They don't have the shade that I like, which is shade 3, but they have clear, and I guess this is a new one. But for $4.99, you guys need to try these lip oils. Cannot live without. These are the Essence liquid lipsticks, and I literally use these all the time. My favorite are Soft Beige and Rose Nude. These are literally my go-tos. I just changed the lip liners, but for $4.99, you cannot beat the price. So far, I have these items. Okay, cute. This one does retail for $20, but it has a lot of product. I love this. I need a new eyebrow gel. I don't know if I should get this or this one. Everyone loves the brow lift. I'm like, I'm gonna go with this one in clear because this one says soap brow. I think I'm gonna do this. I'm super tempted on getting this new eyebrow pencil because I literally need one, and NYX has super good eyebrow products. So let's see what shade I should get. I'm kind of between these. I wanted chocolate, but chocolate always has super red undertones and I don't like that. If you're looking for a super pigmented black liner, you need to try this one. Morphe has concealers. I want to try this one. It's in the shade Blossom 1, and it's one of those pinky rosy concealers. So I'm gonna get one of these and let's see if it's any good. They ended up having my lip oil that I freaking love in the shade that I was looking for, which is Pink Champagne right here. This is by Essence. I did show these to you when I was at Ulta, but I freaking love these lip oils, and they have a very faint scent. I don't like when things are super scented because it literally makes my head hurt. I don't know if that's just me, but that's a little restock. Everyone has been raving about the Morphe brushes, so I'm like, let me pick one up. And they did have the 103. This was the last one. I randomly found it and I'm like, I'm gonna buy it because you guys saw that they did not have it. But ooh, and this was I think like $12. But okay, Morphe, cute. Another Morphe product that I picked up was this one, the pink concealer. And oh my goodness, I'm so hyped to try this out. I'm not really a pink concealer girly. I love a peachy toned blush, as you can tell, but I was so intrigued. This caught my attention. I'm like, okay, because I don't know why I always smell stuff. Do you guys smell stuff? I'm like, dude, it smells like caca. I don't want it. Just kidding, it doesn't even smell that bad. But this was also $12, so we'll see what's up with that. Have any of y'all used this product? This is the elf brow lift. I was between this and the brow gel, but you guys, I don't want to look like I got electrocuted. Like, that is literally not the look I'm going for. You guys see how I do my eyebrows? I just want something to kind of hold them in place, because sometimes I be out and about and I'm like, dude, my eyebrow hair is like right here. That looks ugly, so I need something to, you know, glue it down. But okay, elf doing its thing. This was $6. I freaking love elf. And then I did pick up 2 elf products as well. These are the Glow Reviver lip oils. These were, I believe, I already forgot the price. Were these $6? I think these were $6. I don't know. I'll put the price here on the screen, but I picked up the shade Crystal Baller and Divine Wine, and these are regular lip oils, but they have a metallic finish. So I'm gonna open them and do a quick little swatch so you guys can see what it's giving. I feel like these are gonna be perfect just to top off your lip combo, or just to pair with the cute little lip liner, because it's giving that little extra razzle dazzle. But it does say lip oil. Do you guys see that? That is so cute, dude. What the hell? Oh shit. Okay, I like that. I don't even know if my camera is focusing. If you do not like smelling like yerba buena, you're not gonna like this one. It is pretty minty, but you know, if you didn't brush your teeth, just put this on top. Just kidding. Those are the purchases that I made today. I didn't go too crazy because if I don't need something, I'm not gonna buy it, you know? I didn't really get into foundation at the drugstore. Reason being is because I wanted to show y'all here. The 2 drugstore foundations that I can recommend you are right here. Bye. I do have really oily skin, so my skin is super oily. I love looking matte. I love like a matte finish. I do not like doing makeup on myself. These 2 products literally perform like high-end makeup, like a high-end foundation. They're buildable. You can layer them really well with other products. They don't get weird. I don't know how to explain it, but I freaking love this one right now. I love both of them, but this foundation has my heart. It's literally my baby. So check these two out if you guys are looking for a good drugstore foundation, and they have a good shade range. You guys break out, it's not my fault, okay? For those of you that have oily skin, if you purchase anything that I mentioned in today's video, please let it be this. This is the e.l.f. Power Grip Matte Primer. I freaking love this. e.l.f. literally kills it at the drugstore. They have such amazing products. I know e.l.f. is like known to dupe higher end products, but they just do it so well. And this product right here, it's like literally chef's kiss. I don't have anything negative to say. I did go in with these two products today, and literally my base looks so good. I set with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, the one that I showed you, for like my under eye and this little area. For the rest of my face, I used the powder. I went in with this powder right here, and I just set like the other areas where I didn't use any loose setting powder. But I kid you not, you guys, this combo is so good. It will literally have your makeup looking so freaking flawless. I love drugstore makeup so much, and I hope you guys pick up some of the recommendations that I shared with y'all today. What are your favorite drugstore makeup products? Let me know down below so I can try them out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye guys.